So, good day everyone. Our topic for today is dehumidifying. So, we are going to solve dehumidifying. So, first is a desiccant dehumidifier processes 3 kg per second of moist air. The air enters of humidity ratio of 0.018 kg per kilogram and leaks with 0.008 kilogram per kilogram. So calculate the amount of water removed in kilogram per hour. So our given is our mass, we have 3 kilogram per second. And W1 is 0.018, then our humidity ratio is 0.008. So solution is we have this formula, the mass of water equals mass of air times humidity ratio minus humidity ratio final. So input are given. So our total of mass of water is 108 kilogram per hour. So second is solid desiccant dehumidifier has a rated effectiveness of 75%. The inlet air has a humidity ratio of 0.020 and the theoretical minimum ratio achievable is 0.002. So calculate the actual outlet humidity ratio. So we have 0.75 effectiveness, then our humidity ratio in we have 0.020 and ideal is 0.02 kg per kilogram. So required is actual outlet of humidity ratio. So our solution is we have effectiveness equals W in minus W out over W in minus WL. So input our given, so our W out is equals to 0.0065 kilogram per kilogram.